Okay, guys. So I'm going to teach you how to make a paper airplane. So you gotta grab your paper. You see this? You see that? You fold the paper. You fold the paper in half, so it looks like this. Looks like this. Like this? Yeah, definitely like this. Okay. Once you have that, you're gonna fold it in half. Make sure they're even. Okay. Even. So it looks like this now. And then you fold these two little flaps. So it has its wings. You see these? See these? They should go like that. Fold it. If you want to get crazy. Wait. Okay. If you want to get crazy like me, you're going to draw people. Just draw like 5 squares on each.
Did you even show them how to do it?
Yeah.
Like you said, fold this in.
Okay. 5 squares. 4 squares. You draw a square by line, 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 line. Okay?
Now this is all extras and the music we use in this video. This is made in the USA by Demi Lovato. If you just wanted in. Thank you. Bye.
I'm not done.
Bye.
I want to draw my
Please
window.
look at our channel for other tutorial videos and other funny and crazy videos. We are very new at this. We're only
Draw
12
people.
years old.
Draw
6th
people.
grade.
Don't give away my information.
And the next video will be about how to perfect this bun we have in our hair.